We're all being told that the best way to combat the coronavirus is by washing our hands thoroughly with soap and water. But when we can't get to a basin, many of us are also using alcohol-based hand sanitizer. So much so that supplies have been running low. One company we met in Taiwan last year hopes to have found the solution. This is the EleClean, a device that's claimed to create your own disinfectant.
The first step is we just add water into our electroreactor, and then the water structure will turn into the hydrogen peroxide. And the hydrogen peroxide is a kind of oxidant, so they can damage the structure of viruses and bacteria easily.
Hopefully that'll do the trick. The company does expect that this protects against the coronavirus. The issue is they have actually sold out of them. But it's not just about keeping our hands clean. How about our devices? This week, Apple issued new advice about how to keep our phones clean. But I would suggest that you don't do anything until you've heard what Chris Fox has to say.